the 2020 strategic plan, so many accomplishments, so many things that this university has achieved as a whole. What are some of the biggest highlights for you?
You know, I think the biggest highlights are the ones that were related to advancing our mission of serving the common good, and advancing our mission of serving our students. So, for example, in terms of advancing our common good mission, 3 things stand out for me. First, of course, the establishment of the Daugherty Family College, and our ability to break down barriers for students who are committed to and able to pursue a 4-year degree. If you look at the statistics in this country, it is predicted by, I believe it's 2027, that 70% of the jobs in our country will require a 4-year degree. And it's predicted to be even higher in the state of Minnesota because our economy is so focused on jobs that require advanced degrees. In fact, we're ranked number 10 in the country in terms of the advanced degrees that our employment requires. If those are the, quote, hurdles to be in the most prosperous careers and jobs today, don't we want everybody to have that chance? And so the Daugherty Family College, in terms of breaking down that barrier and giving these really well-deserving students the opportunities to get on a successful pathway to a 4-year degree, is certainly one. The second, in terms of advancing our common good, would be about our School of Education. During these 5 years of this past strategic plan, we stood up a freestanding School of Education. We hired Dean Kathleen Campbell as our new dean, and she and her colleagues have really been focused on addressing the opportunity gaps in Minnesota. We know that we rank almost dead last as a state in this country in terms of the percentage of our students of color that graduate from high school, and also in terms of their proficiency in some of the standardized testing that they take throughout school. So Kathleen and her colleagues are committed that we provide a quality education for all children in the state of Minnesota. And what can they do as a primary school preparing teachers in this state? Well, they're working closely with school districts. They're providing opportunities for employees who are already working in schools to become fully licensed teachers. They're creating pipelines to attract more students of color into the teaching profession. And they're also developing courses to ensure that all of our teachers in the state of Minnesota are really advanced in their understanding of multiculturalism. So that's second. And the third would be the Morrison Family College of Health. Again, it's about addressing disparities. It's about really dismantling structural barriers in our healthcare system that really are not allowing all people and all families to be healthy or stay healthy. And the Morrison Family College of Health is going to really reflect St. Thomas's, I think, Catholic mission of putting the sacredness of the human at the center of everything we do. And it's really going to be about how do we create these healthcare providers and leaders, whether they're nurses, social workers, mental health counselors, people working in public health or other areas of the health fields. How do we help them treat the whole person in context of their family and their communities?